research areas, activities, and we would also like to know about the STUC, what activities they are doing, so that many of you can contact him directly and try to collaborate with him. Yes, please.
Thank you. Yeah. They are still alive, although they tasted this licorice, salted licorice. So you can see here is Finland, here is India. I came here via Istanbul and then Bombay and Mangalore, and after that it was the thermal shock. Finland is located between Russia, is here, Sweden here. We have 2 reactors in reactor sites in Finland, Olkiluoto area and Loviisa area. There are totally 5 nuclear reactors there. Capital of Finland is Helsinki. Karunakara already presented some of my activities in STUC. I have almost 4 years experience in these areas. I don't read these again. There are some pictures, for example this one, perhaps you know the location of the Chernobyl reactor in Ukraine. I calculated the route of air parcels in the very beginning of the Chernobyl accident. I also analyzed afterwards, of course, some radioactive so-called hot particles from the accident. This is quite small particle size, order of 20 micrometers or something like that. So very small. I have done different research in my organization. For example, I have done skin dose calculations from particles like this, hot particles. I have investigated depleted uranium penetrators. I think you know these penetrators. They are used in Gulf War, for example. I have studied or investigated how UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, can be used in environmental monitoring or emergency preparedness. There is a sampler here, and there is a detector inside the fuselage of the UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. I have made a book of radiation in the environment. Unfortunately, it is in Finnish, and I'm sure that you cannot understand it because Finnish is quite a difficult language. Then I have also done different things related to the gamma ray spectrum and alpha spectrum analysis. For example, here is a spectrum from from a nuclear bomb particle. My present duties in STUC is I am mainly responsible for QA, quality-related things, calibration of our spectrometers, training, development, etc., etc. And in general, I am responsible just now for gamma ray measurements and analysis in our lab. So just now, I am not doing very much research just now because there is a lot of activities in this area in STUC. And this is my last slide about the present GEAN course. I already told this short history, but the point is that this course is intended to be very practical. So it includes lab sessions, as Karunakara said, and presentations. And I have to say that theoretical issues cannot be totally avoided. But we don't go deep into the theory. There is some mathematics, not very much. And if you like to have more understanding in the subject matter, please do the homework. Read scientific papers, books, or in fact net to get more deep information. When I made these presentations, I found out that in the net you can get a lot of information, indeed, very much. So I hope that you have some basic knowledge on radioactivity. I think you all have some knowledge, and ionizing radiation, or practical experiences in the subject matter, but no in-depth knowledge is needed. So we mainly focus on high resolution alpha and gamma ray spectrometry, and this is why I focused on high resolution thing, because this is advanced alpha and gamma spectrometry things. But as you know, there are also low resolution equipment that can be used for measurements. So I hope that you will ask me if there are things that you don't understand, and the point is that I am not the only one who is speaking here. So please ask, please give comments if any.